Welcome back to my channel. How I lay my edges step by step, just so you guys can get a close-up and visual. People always ask me how I get my edges the way I do, my baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. So today I'm here to show you guys how to do it. But I will be using 3 different products. They're just my 3 favorite products that I use in my hair. So yeah, stay tuned.
So as you can see, I separated my edges and already gelled down the rest of my hair. My shrinkage is crazy, I know. I'm gonna start with Eco Styling Gel. This is like my everyday going-to gel. Like, I used it to gel down the rest of my hair. So for me, I brush my edges forward first, and then I go in and do the swoop. When you're doing your swoop, you want to follow your finger behind it just to hold down your hairs as you're swooping them. My hair tends to curl up, so I kind of have to do that. Eco Styling Gel is more wet, so it gives my hair more of that freedom to kind of mold it how I want it to mold. But it's also a little annoying because sometimes my hair won't stick as perfect as I want it to. Like, I have to keep going over it. So now I'm just gonna brush down the next piece that I'm about to swoop. Now I'm going in with the sheisBomb collection edge control. This edge control is really good too. Oh my god, I love it so much. This edge control isn't wet, it's not water based like the last edge control, so I have to go in with my comb side, and I can't really brush it because the bristles on the brush aren't hard enough. So with this one, I comb to mold my edges. So like I was saying, it's not water based, so I don't really have to follow behind with my finger, but I still tend to just to lay it down. One thing I can say is you don't need a lot of product when you're using the sheisBomb edge control, and your hair will not curl up while you're using it. Like, it'll lay down as soon as you put it on there. So that's one good thing I do love about this edge control. So now I'm washing off the Eco Style gel and wiping it down with my towel so that I can go in with another gel and show you guys how that one works. Making sure I get every little piece of Eco Style out of my hair so that y'all can see the full effect of the other gel. Now that all my edges are separated, I'm gonna go in with my Got2b glue. Now with the Got2b, I really don't have to follow with my finger and lay down no hairs, because one thing about this one, it's wet when you start, but it molds as soon as you start. So it's like it dries instantly. This one is one of my favorites because they don't play no games. It gets the job done and it holds my edges for like a really long time. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Just look at it. So cute. I love doing my sideburns. I don't know why. It's like my favorite part of doing my edges. It's just like always comes out so perfect. So as you see, I did a push forward and then I curved it in. See, that's your problem, girl. You didn't even have to touch that. It was so perfect and I had to go in and mess with it.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video, how to lay your edges like me and be cute. A lot of people do ask me, so I hope you guys did learn from this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my last video. Thank you.